Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter and leader who played a vital role in India's struggle for independence. He was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. Netaji was a brilliant student and always stood out for his intelligence and leadership skills. Subhas Chandra Bose completed his studies in India and then went to England to study at Cambridge University. He passed the Indian Civil Services (ICS) exam with flying colours, but he chose not to work under the British government because he wanted to fight for India's freedom. He believed that India should be free from British rule and dedicated his life to this cause. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose was different from other freedom fighters because he believed in using force against the British. He felt that non-violence alone would not be enough to win freedom. He became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1938, but later, due to differences with other leaders, he formed his own party called the Forward Bloc. During World War II, Subhas Chandra Bose went to Germany and Japan to seek their help in India's fight for freedom. He raised an army called the Indian National Army, INA, or Azad Hind Fauj. His famous slogan was Jai Hind, which means victory to India. He also gave the powerful call, "Give me blood, and I will give you freedom," to inspire Indians to fight for independence. With the help of the Japanese army, the INA fought bravely against the British forces in places like Burma, now Myanmar, and the northeastern part of India. Although they could not defeat the British, Netaji's efforts brought hope and courage to millions of Indians. Sadly, on 18 August 1945, Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose was reported to have died in a plane crash in Taiwan. However, many people still believe that he survived, and his death remains a mystery. In conclusion, Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose was a true patriot who fought for India's freedom with great courage and determination. He is remembered as one of the most important freedom fighters in Indian history. His love for his country and his fearless spirit continue to inspire us today. Netaji's legacy reminds us to be brave, stand up for our rights, and work towards a better and free nation.